This video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Meta AI app keeps stopping. So if you are encountering this challenge where each and every time you try to open a Meta AI, it stops, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. First, to fix this, you want to visit Meta AI app info page, and to do that, just go to settings, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Meta AI, and here go to for stop app, and okay. Then go to clear data and clear cache, and again clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your Meta AI and open it, now it should open and work perfectly without stopping. However, if at this point you still face this challenge, then check it and see that you don't have any VPN turned on your phone. If you have any VPN, this might be the reason, or any proxy app, this might be the reason your app keeps crashing. However, if you don't have any of this and you still have the problem, then go to Play Store or App Store and then search for your app, and here find if we have any update. As you can see, I have an update. Then update your app to the latest version to fix this. In most cases, this should be able to fix your problem. However, even after updating your app, if you still encounter this challenge, then for that you'll need to uninstall your Meta AI app totally and then install it afresh. By doing so, this will clear any bugs that might be causing this issue. So that's how you can fix Meta AI keeps on stopping error on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.